Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that feels comfortable for you. Take a nice, filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In this mindful minute, we will count down from 8 to 1 while exploring lists of all of our favorite things. To begin, our lists will be long, and it might be hard to fill your lists. But don't worry, that's okay. Try to fill the list as best you can with no pressure to finish. Let's begin by imagining our first list. In your mind, try to list 8 people that you think are nice. They can be friends, family, teachers, or even people that aren't your close friends, but you know are nice people. Think of 8 people now that are nice. Think of 7 of your favorite things to eat. Think of 6 of your favorite people in the whole wide world. Think of 5 things you really like about yourself. List 4 of your favorite games to play. What are 3 of your favorite animals? Think of 2 subjects you like in school. Lastly, what is one goal you hope to accomplish in your life, or one dream that you have that you hope to make a reality one day? Take a moment now to relax and lie still, and think of any other of your favorite things that you might have left out on your lists. Or make a new list of your own. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.